Here's a 2018 Hyundai Sonata. Beautifully sculpted, this efficient midsize sedan is more than meets the eye with endless comfort and impressive power. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, smart device remote engine start, driver memory seats, inline 4-cylinder engine, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Car and Driver reports damping feels perfectly calibrated, and sharp dips are dispatched with little rebound or meet and greets with the bump stops. Challenging convention to find a better way. It's the Hyundai way. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.